Good morning, grade 4 students. In this class, we will discuss about Chapter 7 Forest and Wildlife in India. In the previous classes, we discussed about the evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, tidal forest, and mountain forest. In this class, let's discuss about conservation of forest. What's the meaning for conservation of forest? We have to protect. We have to use it in a limited way so that it will not disappear. Conservation of forests. Forests are disappearing from our planet. How will the forest disappear? When we cut down the trees, the forest will disappear. Only barren lands will be found all around the world. Trees are being cut down quickly for the earth to regenerate new forest. So all the old trees are cut down and we are trying to plant new trees, but that they are not sufficient. Cutting down trees and forest is called deforestation, which is being done to get more and more land for farming, building houses, roads, bridges and so on. It is important to conserve forest because we cut down the trees to do agriculture, as well as this wood is needed to do furnitures to build houses, then bridges, roads, etc. When we cut down the trees, what will happen? We must know that trees of the roots will absorb the water. However, if the trees are cut down, the roots cannot absorb water, so that the rainwater will carry away all the sand or soil from that place, resulting as the flood and soil erosion takes place. In hilly regions, if there are no trees, the moving water during the rain washes away the top layer of the soil. Without this top layer of soil, which is full of nutrition, plants and trees do not grow properly. The soil becomes loose and causes landslides. What is meant by landslides? The top layer of the soil will always become loose and it will fall down and nothing can be grown there. Because of that, homes of thousands of birds and animals and insects are lost due to deforestation, because the forest is the home of the animals, but here the trees are cut down. Definitely the plants and birds, animals and insects, they lost their residence. We must also remember three words that are important for conserving natural resource. They are reduce, reuse and recycle, that are known as 3Rs, 3 Rs. We must be not to reuse any product. We must reduce the use of products that are made from trees. So the product which are made from trees, we have to lose the trees because they are being cut due to the product. We must recycle the products such as paper, books and cardboard boxes and reuse them. So what are the things we can reuse? Means paper, books, cardboard boxes, and we can reuse them, they say. Wildlife in India. Animals, birds and insects, they live in their natural habitat. That means they live in the forest. All animals, birds and insects that live in the natural habitat or the wild are known as wildlife. The animals that live in the forest are called wild animals and they are known as the wildlife. India has a large variety of wildlife. In the forests located in the north and the east of India, there are animals such as elephants, rhinos, tigers, deer and so on. Animals such as leopards, tigers, bears, wild boars and wild buffaloes live in the deciduous forest. A large variety of fish, water birds and reptiles are found in the rivers of India, rivers and lakes. India is famous for its Asiatic lions found in the Gir forest in Gujarat. The famous Royal Bengal tiger is found in Sundarbans in West Bengal. The largest number of one-horned rhinos in the world can be found in the Kaziranga National Park in Assam, India. Conservation of wildlife. Deforestation is destroying the natural habitat of animals. So, when the trees are cut down, automatically the wild animals lost their home. Human beings hunt and kill animals for their skin, fur, horn, and tusk. Why do the human beings kill the animals? They kill for their skin. Tiger for their skin, and fur also we get it, horn from the rhinos, and from the deer, tusk from the elephant. In the past, wild animals and birds were hunted for pleasure. In those days, they were hunting wild animals for pleasure, for entertainment, or for time pass. For leisure time they spend. As a result, many animals have become extinct. Day by day it increased, and finally many animals have come to the endangered zone. There are some animals whose numbers have reduced so much that they might soon disappear from the earth. There are many animals that have not, now they are no more. But nowadays, we are seeing that the counts of the animals are day by day decreasing. These are called endangered animals. Though nowadays hunting has been made illegal, animals are still not safe from poachers. The meaning for poachers is someone illegally hunts or catches the animals for their personal property, for the private. Okay, so there are animals that are hunted illegally nowadays. In order to protect our forests and wildlife, the government of India has declared many areas and forests as protected areas. Reserved forests, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries are all protected areas. The cutting down of trees and killing of any animals is illegal in these areas. So the government has taken steps that they are reserving the forest. That is, they are not allowed, the people who are hunting, they are not allowed, and they should not harm animals. Such places are called reserved forests, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries. These are the protected areas. Some well-known national parks such as sanctuaries are and sanctuaries are Gorbat National Park in Uttarakhand, Jaladarapara National Park in West Bengal, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Periyar National Park and Tiger Reserve in Kerala, and Sariska in Rajasthan. So these are the well-known national parks and sanctuaries in India. Why do they have the national parks and sanctuaries for birds and animals? They are taking steps to protect the animals that are in the endangered, and their countings are day by day decreasing so that it will disappear from the earth itself. So we are trying to protect these animals from the illegal poachers. So children, we have to plant trees and we have to save the planet earth, and also we must not harm any animals, and so that we have to protect the wild animals also. Thank you children.